Hello guys, good evening. Let us learn how to draft a male plumb line method of trouser. Now here you mark out your baselines, you mark 2 inches there. These 2 inches is for the hemming, after which you put your trouser length, you mark it twice, that way, connect the line as shown, get your crouch, get your knee point by dividing the distance of the crouch to the ankle and minus 3 inches. Then from there, mark your hip by 4 plus extra 2 inches, mark your waist by 4 plus 1, get the middle distance there, apply the measurements all across the panels this way, and then after which divide your knee by 2, add extra half inch on both sides, knee by 4, sorry, add extra half inch on both sides, the same thing on the ankle. Now draw the line up a bit this way, then mark your pocket positions and then use your hip curve to connect the lines as shown. Make sure you fine tune it in this form and don't allow any sharp edge or sharp bend. Now place your rule in this form and connect. Now after that, come down by half an inch and slope your front panel of your trouser, go up by 2 inches and connect this way. Then after which, mark your pocket positions and you are good to go. Then cut out the front panel this way. When you cut it out, then the next to do as well is to draft the back. Make sure you follow this procedure for you to be able to get to your desired result. Then drag the front fabric this way, the fabric, then place the back panel in order to make it come out nicely, and then after which extend the line, mark 2 inches on both sides, after which raise the back panel by 1.5 and here by 2, then connect the lines as shown, make sure it's properly connected, and raise the back panel by 2 inches. Use your hip curve to connect it, use pattern master to get the curve here, and then cut as shown. Now this is also to inform you guys that I have a Facebook group. I am posting very nice videos, so go to Facebook, search for Redefined. You will see the page. Do well to follow, like, share and comment, and also tell me where you're watching from. So this is also the component on which I have made several videos on this. So the band is the next thing I am drafting. Try to get the band measurement, mark a baseline that must be straight, mark a 2.5 inch width, connect the line as shown, and then cut out in this form. So make sure it's properly cut out, and then this is how it is. Now the next to do here is to cut the welt pocket placket, which is 3 inches width by the length of 7. Mark the front and back and you are good to go. Thank us for watching. See you guys in my next and subsequent video. Bye bye for now.